Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Donna Parsons here, and today we're going to learn an awesome trick in Excel called Transpose. So right now I have a spreadsheet that is open in front of me that someone sent me, and it looks like this, and I want it to look like that. So how do I take this and make it look like that? It's the same exact data, different the way it looks. So let's come over to our sheet that we want to transpose, and we're going to make sure that we're on our home tab, and we're going to come over to our row selection, and I'm going to hold my left mouse button down on row number 1, and I'm going to drag it and select all the rows that I want to transpose. I'm going to click copy, so I'm going to come back to my home tab. And in my copy section, I'm just going to left click on copy, and I can paste this with the transpose right in the same worksheet if I want. But I'm going to come over and I'm going to create a new worksheet. I'm going to left click my mouse in cell A1. I'm going to come up to the paste, and I'm going to click the drop down arrow where it says paste, and in the second row down all the way over to the right here, if I hold my left mouse button down and just select it, it says transpose. So if I left click my mouse once, it automatically transposes the data. That is how easy it is. Alright, so let me undo that and let's do it again real quickly. So we're going to make sure that we select the rows that we want to transpose. We're going to come up to copy. We're going to come over to the worksheet that I want to put it in. I'm going to click the down arrow where it says paste. I'm going to come down to the second row all the way to the right. And when I left click my mouse on transpose, it automatically transposes the data for you. So there's no retyping, there's no copying and pasting. It does it for you automatically. I hope you enjoyed this quick short lesson. Thank you so much for your time. And if you like what I have to say, subscribe.